absolutely adorable.
Yeah.
And literally, they take about a minute to make.
Yes.
To cut out, a minute or two to cut out. And then when you put it together, a few more minutes, and all of a sudden you have a darling box. And the exciting part for me is that these are all girlfriend exclusive SVG
They're
files.
all designed.
Yes.
Nice work.
So let's take a look underneath this camera, and you can see how cute this is.
Yeah.
To have the cutout of the jack-o'-lantern, and you can see the candy just behind it. But this one, you put a little bit of glitter
behind,
sheet underneath there. I love, of course, the ghost. And the really great thing about this, you guys, is that you can make these as small or as big as you want because they're scalable files. Show us how it's done, Jacki.
All right. First of all, you choose your paper, and that's probably the hardest part. Because,
there's so many great ones out there.
If you love glitter, I'm just saying, just be prepared that you'll wear the glitter I already took the...
Okay.
It's your sparkling personality.
I said, I have had glitter everywhere. I feel like I'm eating it. So we're using our Low-Tack mat because that's good for paper. It's not real sticky. But so we just have a piece of regular cardstock that we're going to be using that's orange.
Okay.
So we can just place that anywhere we want to on our mat. And I brought in the design, and I saved it to our machine. So
just wait.
We're going to let you load the mat. So you'll put it in between these little lips right here, and here.
All right.
And make sure that it goes in straight. Then you're going to push this little button here that looks like a grid. And that's going to load our mat into our machine. Let's find your design.
Okay.
So I saved it onto the machine. So go ahead and say retrieve data. Then I saved it to the actual machine, so it's the top left.
Top left.
And then you'll see that there's the design that we want.
This one right here?
Yes.
You guys, I broke.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, I did it. I did.
Yes. So you...
Scary.
I know. All right, so all we have to do is push OK.
Are you sure?
I'm positive.
All right.
All right, and at this point, you can edit and you can change your size.
Oh, so I could make it bigger if I want
You could make it bigger or smaller.
What?
We'll just cut it out this size. This size we're going to push OK. You're going to say, please select. Oh, you are a fast learner. And let's see, what are we going to do?
Oh, I'm going to cut it.
Yay! Look at that.
So we're going to cut?
Yes.
This is easy, guys.
It's not very hard at all.
And then start.
Right.
Yes.
So we have our standard blade in. So now the fun is going to be, and it's actually going to be a 3-minute cut.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so it takes about 3 minutes, but it works up really fast.
Yeah,
and
it does.
It just does its own thing.
What it also does, it cuts and it also scores your lines. So the scores are the folding lines.
You're the folding.
Yeah.
You'll see that in a minute.
And it's so quiet.
It is.
It is.
We're gonna see how fun this is.
All right, let's take a look.
All right, so now all you have to do is peel that paper right off. Look.
Oh, you did a small one.
So
There
I
we go.
did.
Look
I
how
did a
easy that
different-
was.
Yeah. It's a good thing I did a small one because we
We would have been here forever.
It would have been way long. So now you just take your spatula and all of the pieces just
go.
come off.
Look
Yes.
at that.
Isn't that?
You know what? That's just too sweet. I might want to use it for
Well,
something
I said
else.
you may want to save those pieces, but look at this. You can see
the score lines right here.
Yes, which makes it so nice to fold.
This, I mean, this is really
It's
simple.
just each one. Look how fast you're doing. We should have a timer.
Yeah.
How fast can you fold a Halloween
like
box?
I'm thinking back when my kids were young and like PTA mom stuff. Wouldn't that be fun to do this for like
absolutely.
a class?
Well,
preschool.
Even if you live in a neighborhood, there's not a whole lot of kids that come to your house. I mean, this would be just such a cute little gift to give. So look at
I
Kris
love that.
go. She is going.
Oh my goodness, it's
so
too
quick.
too great. I love this.
I love all the score lines.
Look at that.
So then all you have to do is glue that little tab right here.
Right
now,
here.
if you wanted to add,
Just right there.
you could add a piece of paper
Oh.
inside. You could just
Look at
cut and just put it inside there to cover up the little. See, and you don't even need scissors.
If we had scissors, it'd be really cool.
Look at that.
So look how cute that is. If you and you could even You could even draw on
You
it
guys,
if you wanted to. Isn't that darling?
I think it's adorable. It's absolutely adorable. So super fun. Again, just one thing of glue here, and the rest actually just folds right in to each other, doesn't it?
Yes, it does.
And before you know it, you've got something like this.
That cute little thing.
Oh,
and
so
of course,
cute.
you need the candy.
Of course.
So, of course, we need all of the candy.
Sweet.